Hey guys, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford, and we're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this 2016 Honda Odyssey passenger van. And this is an amazing family vehicle. So as you can see, it does have a sliding door on this side as well as the other side. So gone are the days of those limited one-sided door passenger vans. You got a ton of room back here, or in this vehicle. You can fit 8 passengers in here. I've got your doors open here because there's a lot to see. So I've got your sliding door open. We've got this pulled forward. So you've got seating for 8 back here. Sorry, 3 back there, 8 in total. Optional 2-person seating, or this flips up. That center armrest flips up. So now you've got seating for 3 along here as well. Your seats do slide forward, so easy access to the back row. You've got nice buttons for the kids to use to close and open the doors, so you're not having to worry about squish fingers, that kind of thing. In the back hatch, you've got decent storage here, even with your 3rd row up. You've got some nice side storage here as well. And then the seats, using some TV magic here, I'm going to fold them away. It literally took me like 20 seconds to fold the seats away. You've got this lovely all-weather mat back here, so you're not having to worry about that snowy weather. And now you've got a ton of space back here. So coming up to the door, you have power locks, power mirrors, power windows here. You've got 6-way adjustable power seats. You've got this really lovely light gray cloth interior in here. It's got this really nice pattern to it. It's been well looked after. This vehicle's in great shape. Just beside your steering wheel here, you do have the option to open and close your doors right from up front in the cockpit, so you're not having to hop out and help the kids on those after-school pickups. So hopping into the van here, you do have infotainment controls here on your steering wheel. Bluetooth are there. Cruise control is on your right. This is a push-button start. And the first thing to me that comes to mind in here is like space shuttle. It's kind of futuristic and fun. Kilometer wise, we're sitting at 32,386 kilometers. So you've got 2 screens here. So your first screen is going to be what they call your trip computer. So it's going to show you your instant fuel economy, your average fuel economy, or if you don't want all that, you can just have a nice big clock there. And that's all controlled by using buttons and this dial and button here. Now you do also have another screen here. But first, sorry, your backup camera is on that top screen. Nice big backup camera with guidelines. This is going to be for your infotainment, so you can go to your source. This is touchscreen as well, which is really nice. So you've got Bluetooth, auxiliary, iPod, everything you're going to need for those long family road trips. And it's really, it looks like a lot, but it's a really simple layout. And then your HVAC system is right up here. You've got dual climate control, heated seats up here as well, both for your driver and your passenger. Nice simple layout that way. And then of course you've got a ton of storage. So I've got this bottom storage bin opened up. You have another drawer here that can serve as a cup holder. You have USB, 12-volt and auxiliary options, all really handy for the driver. We've got this nice big center console. It's got cup holders in the back for the kids, 2 up front for mom and dad. Nice storage there, and then nice deep storage in there as well. So family friendly, easy layout. Really great family unit. So guys, if you're in the market for a great family unit, I would definitely check out this 2016 Honda Odyssey. It's going to be a great choice for you. Give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop by and visit us, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.